You're about to discover a secret that few people know, a powerful smoothie that can help eliminate belly fat quickly and effectively. This isn't a miracle solution, but a strategic combination of natural ingredients that, when consumed the right way, activate your metabolism and boost fat burning. What makes this smoothie so special? It's been carefully crafted with ingredients that speed up metabolism, regulate blood sugar levels, and reduce inflammation. 3 crucial factors for fat loss, especially in the abdominal area. And the best part? This recipe is easy to make and only takes a few minutes. Let's get straight to the point. This smoothie not only helps burn fat, but also fights bloating and boosts your energy throughout the day. In just a few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to prepare this drink and why it works so well. Key ingredients and their benefits. Now let's talk about the ingredients that make this smoothie a secret weapon against belly fat. Each one was chosen for its specific properties, and together they form a powerful combination. Avocado. Avocado is an excellent source of healthy fats and fiber. The monounsaturated fats in it help speed up metabolism and burn localized fat, especially in the abdominal area. Additionally, its fiber content increases the feeling of fullness, preventing overeating and aiding in weight control. Spinach. Low in calories and packed with nutrients, spinach is an excellent addition to any weight loss smoothie. It's rich in iron, which improves oxygen transport in the body, promoting efficient calorie burning. Spinach is also a great source of magnesium, essential for regulating blood sugar levels and reducing insulin spikes that can contribute to abdominal fat storage. Chia seeds. Small but mighty, chia seeds are rich in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. They help control appetite by expanding in the stomach, creating a long-lasting feeling of fullness. They're also great for reducing inflammation in the body, one of the factors that can hinder fat loss. Ginger. Ginger is known for its thermogenic properties, meaning it increases body temperature and stimulates metabolism, which helps burn fat. Additionally, it improves digestion and reduces bloating, making it essential for those looking for quick results in reducing belly fat. Almond milk or other liquid base. For the liquid base, almond milk is an excellent choice. It's low in calories but adds a creamy texture to the smoothie. Plus, it's lactose-free, preventing bloating caused by dairy digestion. Almond milk is also a good source of vitamin E, which combats inflammation in the body and improves skin health. These 5 ingredients form the perfect base for your fat-burning smoothie. Each plays a specific role in speeding up metabolism, regulating blood sugar levels, and reducing inflammation. And the best part? They're all natural, easy to find, and can be seamlessly incorporated into your daily routine without hassle.
For more information on diets and how they can help you lose weight, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to learn about the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to achieve the body you've always desired.
Quick and easy. Preparation. Now that you know the powerful ingredients, let's dive into the preparation. The best part about this smoothie is how fast and easy it is to make. In under 5 minutes, you'll have a delicious and effective drink to start eliminating belly fat. Here's how you do it. 1-2 ripe avocado, 1 handful of fresh spinach, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 small piece of fresh ginger about 1 centimeter peeled, 1 cup almond milk, or another liquid base of your choice. Step 1. Start by placing the avocado in the blender. It will give the smoothie a creamy texture and provide those healthy fats that help burn belly fat. Step 2. Add the spinach. Don't worry about the taste. Spinach has a neutral flavor when mixed with other ingredients, but its fiber and nutrients will work to speed up your metabolism. Step 3. Throw in the chia seeds. Remember, these little seeds will expand, helping to create a feeling of fullness that lasts for hours after you've had the smoothie. Step 4. Add the ginger. It will give the smoothie a slight spicy kick, but more importantly, it will boost your body's thermogenesis, helping you burn calories faster. Step 5. Pour the almond milk over all the ingredients and blend until smooth. If you prefer a more liquid consistency, add more milk until you reach the desired texture. In just a few minutes, your smoothie will be ready. It's a refreshing, creamy, and nutritious drink you can enjoy any time of the day. If you prefer a colder texture, simply add a few ice cubes before blending. This recipe is perfect for anyone with a busy schedule but wants quick results. Simple, practical, and powerful. This is how you start transforming your body with just 1 cup a day. Why it works, the science behind it. Now you might be wondering, why does this smoothie actually work to eliminate belly fat? The answer lies in the strategic combination of ingredients, which work synergistically in 3 key areas. boosting metabolism, regulating blood sugar levels, and reducing inflammation. Boosted metabolism. Avocado and ginger are the primary drivers for speeding up your metabolism. Avocado, rich in healthy fats, helps the body burn calories more efficiently, converting fat into energy instead of storing it. Ginger, with its thermogenic properties, raises your body temperature, forcing it to expend more energy and consequently burn more calories just to carry out normal functions. Regulated blood sugar levels. One of the main factors contributing to fat accumulation in the abdominal area is insulin resistance, which can be triggered by blood sugar spikes. Ingredients like spinach and chia seeds help control these spikes, stabilizing blood glucose levels. Spinach is rich in magnesium, an essential mineral for blood sugar control, while chia seeds, with their soluble fiber, slow down carbohydrate absorption, preventing sugar spikes and controlling appetite. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the biggest obstacles to losing fat, especially around the belly. It can be caused by a poor diet or constant stress, both of which make fat burning more difficult. In this smoothie, both ginger and avocado have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger is well known for reducing inflammation in the body, while avocado, with its antioxidants, also helps decrease inflammation in fat cells, making fat loss more effective. Natural detoxification. Lastly, we can't overlook the detoxifying role of this smoothie. Spinach, with its high chlorophyll content, helps purify the liver and eliminate toxins that may be hindering your weight loss process. A toxin-free body is better able to burn fat because the liver functions more efficiently. The science behind this smoothie is supported by studies showing that these ingredients, when combined, naturally and effectively enhance fat loss. You're not just drinking a delicious smoothie, but a powerful tool that directly addresses the key factors that make belly fat hard to lose.
If these tips were helpful, click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.
How and when to consume for maximum results. Now that you know the recipe and benefits of the smoothie, it's important to understand how and when to consume it for the best results in burning belly fat. The most effective way to include this smoothie in your routine is to drink it in the morning, on an empty stomach. Since your body has gone hours without food during sleep, consuming the smoothie right after waking up will provide the right nutrients to kickstart your metabolism immediately. The ginger and chia seeds will ensure your body enters fat-burning mode in the early hours of the day. Additionally, the fiber from the spinach and avocado will keep you full until your next meal, helping to prevent overeating at breakfast or unnecessary snacking. Another powerful option is to drink the smoothie before your workout. It's light but packed with energy-boosting nutrients like avocado and chia seeds, giving you the strength you need to optimize your performance during exercise. This also ensures your body continues burning fat, especially in the abdominal area, both during and after your workout. For those seeking an even more strategic approach, drinking the smoothie before bed can be beneficial. Ingredients like avocado, rich in healthy fats, help regulate hormones during sleep, while ginger and spinach assist in detoxifying the body overnight. With your metabolism active while you rest, your body continues working to eliminate fat, leading to visible results in less time. It's important to remember that while the smoothie is highly effective, maximum results will only be achieved when paired with a balanced diet and healthy habits like regular exercise. Drinking this smoothie daily, whether for breakfast, pre-workout, or before bed, can significantly accelerate belly fat loss, but balance in all areas of your routine is essential for maintaining long-term results.
To learn more about diets, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to access the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to lose weight quickly.
Quick testimonials or success stories. To further reinforce the effectiveness of this smoothie, let's share a few real success stories from people who added this recipe to their daily routine and achieved impressive results in burning belly fat. One of the most impactful stories is Mariana's, a 32-year-old who always struggled with stubborn belly fat, even while following a healthy diet. After incorporating the smoothie into her breakfast for 2 weeks, she noticed a significant reduction in abdominal measurements and reported feeling much more energetic throughout the day. Mariana also highlighted that drinking the smoothie on an empty stomach reduced her appetite considerably, helping her control cravings between meals. Another example is Carlos, who was looking for a quick way to accelerate his results before a vacation. He started drinking the smoothie daily before his workout, and, in less than a month, saw a visible decrease in belly fat and an improvement in his physical performance. Carlos stated that the energy boost during his workouts was one of the key benefits, along with noticing a reduction in abdominal bloating. Anna, a mother of 2 with a super busy routine, found the smoothie to be a practical solution for feeling better and lighter. By drinking the smoothie at dinner, Anna reported waking up feeling less bloated and more energized. Within a few weeks, She saw the results on the scale and in her clothes, which started to feel looser around her waist. She attributes these results to the metabolism-boosting ingredients, especially while she slept. These testimonials show that, regardless of routine or lifestyle, the smoothie is highly effective for those who want to lose belly fat naturally and quickly. These consistent and real results encourage more people to try this recipe and share their experiences. Now that you know exactly how to prepare and consume the secret smoothie to burn belly fat quickly, the next step is simple. Put it into practice. It's not enough to just know the recipe. You need to integrate it into your routine and experience the results for yourself. I challenge you to try this smoothie for just 7 days. Make it part of your breakfast or drink it before your workout and watch the changes start to happen. If you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Remember, consistency is key. Small daily changes can lead to big results over time. And don't forget, I want to hear about your results. Come back here in the comments and tell me about your experience. If you already use smoothies in your routine, share your favorite variations or how you adapt the recipe to better meet your needs. Let's build this journey together.
Below in the description and at the end screen, there's a playlist with multiple videos where I talk about diets and powerful weight loss techniques. Check it out.
If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. This not only helps me keep bringing valuable content to you, but also ensures you won't miss the next health and fitness tips and secrets coming your way. Hit the notification bell so you'll get alerts for future videos. You won't want to miss the upcoming revelations. Now it's your turn. Grab the ingredients and start today. Your results could be just one smoothie away.